Oh, okay. So I'll share the screens with you. Yeah. So today's topic is how do we select business to invest? And these are the unconventional ways where I zero in into a lot of companies. There are like more than 5 to 6,000 companies. I think even more than 7,000 companies so far. So it's very difficult to track each and every business. So these are the some unconventional ways where I get sense of initial clarity about or initial sense of business about a particular company. And the first idea where I get the information is from newspaper coverage and the management interviews in print media. Uh, if we see a lot of management give interview in various magazines and newspapers, तो वहां से आपको एक आइडिया आ सकती है कि जो बिजनेस है जो भी बिजनेस है वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. व्हाट आर द प्रोस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कंपनी. तो आपको एक छोटी सी जिस्ट आ जाएगी. फॉर सेक ऑफ एग्जांपल, हीरो मोटोकॉर्प which we covered in our research report. I read about it into Economic Times something 4 months back, where management were giving a brief idea about the expansion plans, as well as they were targeting 10 crore sales. Now the reason why it stand out to me was, since inception till now, Hero Motocorp have already created and manufactured 10 crore bikes, which usually took them 40 to 50 years. But what they are planning is they want to achieve this mark which they achieved in past 40 to 50 years in the next 10 years. So ये एक decade में 2021 से लेके 2030, which is the next 10 years में, they have to achieve that target of creating once again 10 crore bike. And that gave me really, that actually created a sense of curiosity, you can say, what the management is planning to do. And then we started digging into it. And I was just tracking this company, Hero Motocorp, something 2015, 2016 के आसपास है. And this news came, and then we started digging the things and finalized. So this is the beginning part where you get brief ideas. Management कभी कभी इंटरव्यू देता है तो बहुत अच्छी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल सकती है in very short span of time. तो न्यूज़पेपर और प्रिंट मीडिया, there are various magazines out there. Magazines आज यूजुअली बहुत कम लोग पढ़ते हैं, but you get decent idea. Like Forbes की मैगजीन आती है, and the Last Street Investment Journal, and there are quite few magazines where you get decent idea. Don't just look and buy on the recommendations. Look at the business part if some newspaper or print media is covering. Then the second part is using Screener's quarterly result tab. Here you get useful updates, of companies which are posting bumper results. So on the screen you would be seeing quarterly new quarterly results. और ये आपको कहाँ मिलेगा स्क्रीनर में? I'll just let you know once again. So on your screen, screener मैंने open किया हुआ है, and if you click on this part, new quarterly results, so यहाँ पे जो जो कंपनी नए नए रिजल्ट पोस्ट करती है ना, वो आपको दिख जाएंगे. So you can just go through this tab. If you see in last 3 days, 57 new companies, 57 new quarterly results have been posted by companies. So just go through this page. जैसे कैशकॉप है, उसका रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ नहीं हुआ है, बट ईपीएस 90% ग्रो हुआ है, दो इट्स लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी, लॉस मेकिंग क्वार्टर. बट आपको एक ब्रीफ आइडिया आ जाता है यहाँ से इन वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. एंड द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज, लास्ट वीक इफ यू रिमेम्बर, मैंने श्रेयस शिपिंग रिकमेंड किया था. श्रेयस आई एम ट्रैकिंग सिंस 2015, 2014-15, जब स्मॉल कैप का बुल स्टार्ट हुआ था. Since then I'm tracking, and then last week, something Thursday, on this particular tab, share shipping came. On this new quarterly results, share shipping came. And if you saw share shipping fundamentals, it was amazing. Sales अच्छा खासा growth हुआ था, EPS भी अच्छा खासा growth हुआ था, net profit by highest in 12 quarters, and it has already run up like 80 to 90% since then. So आपको एक बहुत ही short span of time में यहाँ से काफी सारी कंपनीज की इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. Then the next part is using the screeners browse sector tab. there are various sectors, and in these particular sectors there are various number of companies. So अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि particular sector is going to perform very well in next few months or next few years, so आप वो सेक्टर को सिलेक्ट कीजिए. वो सेक्टर सिलेक्ट करोगे, उसके बाद में आपको पर्टिकुलर कंपनीज दिखेगी वो सेक्टर में. जैसे ही आप ये टैब ओपन करोगे ना पावर सेक्टर का, आपको कंपनीज दिखेगी. वहां पे जाके आप सिर्फ पेयर्स के जो भी फंडामेंटल्स है वो चेक कर सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन जीरो इन विच पर्टिकुलर कंपनी यू वांट टू बाय, looking at the selected sector you have on the basis of valuations. So again, to give you brief idea, let's click on screen. I think over here आपको browse sector का ऑप्शन दिखेगा. लेट्स से मुझे लगता है शुगर स्टॉक जो है दे आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म, बिकॉज अभी इथेनॉल का जो टारगेट दिया है गवर्नमेंट ने, दे हैव रिड्यूस. पहले उनका टारगेट था कि 20% जो भी आपका ईपीबी है, इथेनॉल ब्लेंडेड पेट्रोल, इट जो आपका पेट्रोल है उसके अंदर 20% इथेनॉल होना चाहिए, जो भी फ्यूल है उसमें. सो द टारगेट वाज टिल 2025, बट नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड कि गवर्नमेंट ने टारगेट को 2023 में सेट किया है. नाउ वी आर एट समथिंग 8% ईपीबी, एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पॉलिसी शुगर कंपनीज आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म वेरी वेल. सो मैंने शुगर कंपनीज का टैब ओपन किया, एंड यहाँ पे मुझे सारी शुगर कंपनीज दिख जाएगी. Some 36 companies are there in this particular sector, and then I can just look at the peers comparison on the basis of fundamentals, and I can zero in which company I want to buy. So यहाँ पे से आपको एक gist मिल जाएगा. You can compare something 36 companies into sugar sector and just zero in कौन सी कंपनी को आपको buy करनी है. So this is again one of the area where we look at the business and start researching on the same. Then the next is using again screeners facility, screeners feature, which is stock screeners tab. जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि you can create your own screens जो कस्टमाइज होता है using your own parameters and filter out fundamentally undervalued companies. So on the screen if you see, मैंने already अपनी screens create की हुई है. If you want to create your own screen, just create new screen पे आप click कीजिए, put the parameters you want to filter out the companies, and then you are good to go. I'll show you how to do this thing. Screener पे click करोगे आप, यहाँ पे screens पे जाइए. Screens, when you click on screens, यहाँ पे stock screens which you have already created. मैंने इतनी screens create की हुई है, so आपको दिख जाएगी ये मेरी created screen. There are popular themes too, but I don't personally go through that. Not my personal choice. यहाँ पे आप create new screen पे click करोगे, so एक option open होगा query builder. Just put all the queries like promoter holding more than 50% and market capitalization. Let's say if you want only large cap companies, so market capitalization usually more than 10-20,000 crores, P usually less than 10 year ka average P, and so forth, ROE more than 15%, and then click over here and run this query. So आपको out of the universe of more than something 5 to 7,000 companies, you will be getting selected few companies where you can zero in your efforts. So ये एक चीज है screens जहाँ से I again narrow down companies only on basis of fundamentals which are undervalued. So ये एक और मेथड हो गया. दूसरा मेथड होता है थ्रू योर इनर सर्कल्स. अगर आपको कोई कंपनी के बारे में कुछ जानकारी चाहिए, सो आपको एक इनर सर्कल अगर आप बनाते हो, अपना बिल्ड करते हो, तो बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है. दो दिस इज वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग इफ यू आर न्यू पर्सन, इफ यू आर नूब यू कैन से, और जस्ट बिगिनिंग योर इन्वेस्टिंग जर्नी, बट इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. मैंने भी स्टार्ट किया था अपना इन्वेस्टिंग करियर, तभी I didn't had any mentor or anything. So only thing you can create your inner circle of investors is that you have to keep on providing value to your community or to people. And India is like low trust society. People won't be really giving you know heads on to your ideas, or they won't respect you, which is usually the case if you don't provide them value, because we are like sort of conservative people, and ट्रस्ट एक दूसरे को करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है इनिशियली. सो ओनली वे यू कैन बिल्ड ट्रस्ट इज प्रोवाइडिंग unconditional value without expecting anything in return. So it is bit time consuming, takes a lot of hard work, but before asking favor to people or having access to certain group of investors, you have to keep on providing value to the people, and once you keep on providing this thing day in and day out, people will start reaching out to you. It is as simple as that, but yes, it is time consuming. So through your inner circles, बाद में आपको कंपनीज की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहेगी over a period of time. Just keep on adding value and have patience, and over a period of time you would be creating your inner circle of investors. Not a big deal actually, but time consuming. Next is TV, that is financial news channel. And this is the least, or you can say I hardly use this thing. This methodology I'm not fan because I personally don't have TV at my home. So not a big fan of this strategy, but yeah, management interviews जो होता है, special coverage by TV channels like CNBC and Bloomberg and ET Money and so forth. There are so many financial news channels and result updates. वहां से आपको एक initial sense मिल सकता है, या कौन सा एक sector particularly boost हो रहा है उसकी आपको एक gist मिल सकती है. But don't fall for the recommendations and tips given on these channels. Just go through the management interviews and the coverage these companies or news channels cover. आपको एक overall idea आ जाएगा if you want to get some knowledge of new businesses or some great future prospects of great companies. So this is one of the least methodology which I use, but yeah, most people in finance will use this thing very largely. So I'm a bit contrarian on this part. Through social media, because of social media, there has been opening up of a lot of opportunity. आज से 10 साल पहले it was very difficult to connect with market investors, but now it's very easy to connect with them. So just stay connected with investors on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, Facebook. There are innumerable of social medias where you can just connect with investors, market investors, and get insight and initial touch points. So but make sure that you are diligent, किसको follow करना है, किसको नहीं करना है. So that is something you have to make decision on. But really on social media तो आपको बहुत अच्छी अच्छी companies के बारे में information मिलेगी. Like recently when I was going through Twitter, I got an idea about how Indian news broadcasting, not news broadcasting, but the you can say the music broadcasting industry of India is highly underpenetrated compared to the foreign market. Like Spotify, if I'm not wrong, it's trading at huge market capitalization compared to the Indian peers, which are, you can say, like Saregama, Tips and so forth. So in last 1 year, because of this particular theme, this stock have already catch up to the global peers of Spotify and so forth, the music streaming platform, you can say, and the OTT platform, you can say. These are these are traded at premium valuations in foreign market, but in India there are very few companies, Saregama, Tips, and I think Shimaro. These are the few companies which are into video streaming or music streaming, and they were actually trading at low valuations last year. But in last 10 to 12 months, they have run up by nearly 5 to 10x. So you get detailed information. Sometimes you get a list of few companies which you are not tracking through the investors across social media. YouTube पे काफी सारे channels है, you can just stay connected with YouTubers, and आपको वहाँ से भी initial touch points और brief insights मिल सकती है about few companies. It's better to stay connected if you are investor. तो अगर सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में रहोगे तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. So social media can be helpful to you, and this is one of the most looked out thing which I personally prefer. And this is, like, you can say, unorthodox way as of now, which is investing communities and forum. And because of the advent of technology, you have access to a lot of great investors. So valuepicker.com is one of the quality investing community and forum I've come across in last many years, and the insights are really deep and worth spending each second on multiple threads over there. So काफी बेहतरीन नॉलेज है वैल्यू पिकर पे, मैंने आपको पहले भी रिकमेंड किया है. Again, I'm recommending, if you're not going through, just go through this thing. आपको बहुत superb information मिलेगी, and it is absolutely free of cost. You need not pay a single penny to access to these forums or community. Zero Dark Trading Q&A is another platform where you can connect with investors. Usually traders are very active on this platform, but yes, on investing part too, you would be getting decent idea. So through investing and community, investing community and forums, you will be getting brief ideas of which businesses to select to invest. And last but not the least, day-to-day life. In your day-to-day life, you would be using a lot of products, and it's very likely that the products which are great companies. And typically, if I share my personal example, back in 2011-12, I was eating Bourbon biscuits, and on the web, it had a promotion with free charge. So Britannia और free charge ने टाइप किया था, and what they were providing कि जितना रुपीस का पैक आपका बिस्किट का है उतना सेम equivalent they were giving you cashback, giving you promo codes. So समथिंग लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपका बिस्किट बोबोन वॉज ऑफ 20 रुपीज, सो 20 रुपीज का कैशबैक आपको फ्री चार्ज पे मिल जाता. सो दिस एक्चुअली क्रिएटेड नो सेंस ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी इन मी कि इफ कंपनी इज जस्ट गिविंग यू ऑल द मनी, समझो 20 रुपीज का बिस्किट है, 20 रुपीज आपको कैशबैक में मिल रहा है. So what is actually company making? Company पैसा कैसे कमा रही है? And I started digging the company when it was something, 600 to 800 rupees before split or bonus, which was 1:1. I think something in 2014 or 15. And I started digging into company, and then I found out a lot of product portfolio and a great insight about the company way back in 2012-13. One of my friend Roshan, I recommended him to buy into Britannia something at 800, and then the stock went up to something 4,000 rupees in matter of 2 to 3 years, and it went into 1:1 bonus or split, and it's again something at 4,000 rupees. So a great story, and there are multiple companies where I get inspired using the products in day-to-day life, products or services. And similarly, there would be many products and service which we use in day-to-day life, like the brand of TV you are using, mobile phones, applications you are using, like let's say for sake of example Paytm, and the sorts of like Zomato and so forth, and the, furniture, AC, vehicles, and so on and so forth. So chances are pretty high that if you are having, if you like a product or service, you are going to like the company behind it and the business it's doing. And great businesses usually leads to great stock prices. So अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में भी आपको काफी सारी कंपनी मिलेगी. फॉर सेक ऑफ एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर अ स्मोकर, यू विल गेट ITC, or even if you are like a student, you will be using Classmate, which is product of ITC. So this is just a basic overview. If you are using AC of like say Voltas or Blue Star, आपको एक brief idea आ जाएगी, and you can start taking the company or whatever business you are into. See, my particular business, you can say like major business is into equity market. So I got a sense of this thing, like brokers are performing really well in last 1 year, and the sorts of like Upstocks and Zerodha and so forth. The brokers, top brokers, were actually raking in a lot of investors in last 12 months. So when you look at the Upstock, Zerodha, and the sorts of other discount brokers like PipePaisa and so forth, they were actually uh, having a lot of traction. And one of the reason why I have recommended 4 brokerages, and I hold many of them in my portfolio in last 1 year, क्योंकि मेरे अपने बिजनेस से मुझे पता चला कि ये जो काफी सारे बिजनेस है, बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ मिला है. Look at CDSL, look at the sorts of like PipePaisa, and you can see like ICICI Securities. Angel Broking I recommended at something 250 to 14, and it is like almost at 800 in like 7 or 8 months, less than 7 or 8 months. It is more than 3x. And the sorts of like Motilal Oswal and the so and so forth, there are many broking companies. So अपना आपका जो भी बिजनेस है, आपको वहां से भी एक ब्रीफ आइडिया आ सकता है. इफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर इज परफॉर्मिंग, यू गेट ब्रीफ आइडिया कि हाँ, ये बिजनेस जो है इट विल परफॉर्म रियली वेल. सो इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड कि आपको PhD होना चाहिए इन्वेस्टिंग में. इवन इफ यू आर अ लेमैन, आपको बहुत अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज मिल सकती है. टू गिव यू फ्यू अदर एग्जांपल्स, इफ यू आर यूजिंग सम मोबाइल फोन्स, सो लेट्स से फॉर सेक ऑफ एग्जांपल, अभी 5G का बहुत अच्छा ट्रेंड आने वाला है. So people have already positioned into companies which are into manufacturing 5G phones, and Dixon Technology is one of the example. Not recommendation. Any company I'm saying, this is not recommendation. Just sharing the example and just to give you broad idea. So Dixon Technology is having one of the highest manufacturing capability across the world to produce 5G phones, and एलईडी टीवी आप यूज करते हो, डिक्सन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग इट। एलईडी बल्ब आप यूज करते हो, डिक्सन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग इट। सो आपको एक वहां से बहुत अच्छा खासा यू कैन से ब्रीफ आइडिया मिल सकता है। इफ यू आर यूजिंग नेटफ्लिक्स, नेटफ्लिक्स का स्टॉक इफ यू सी, इफ यू आर अ यूजर, यू कैन just see the stock price, how the business is performing. Just look at fundamentals and you can invest into the foreign stocks too. And there are unnumberable of examples where, you know, when in your day-to-day life, you will be getting a lot of companies. चलते फिरते दिन में 5 से 10 कंपनीज तो आपको ऐसे दिख जाएगी विच आर लिस्टेड कंपनीज। ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट drill down, look at the fundamentals, look at the management quality, look at the future prospects, and zero in. It's not really that difficult. So just to sum up, how do we select the businesses when we are into investing? First is through newspaper, second is through stocks screeners, which is screener.in पे आप जाके क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट का टैब चेक कर सकते हो। थर्ड इज द सेक्टोरियल इन्वेस्टिंग वाला पार्ट स्क्रीनर पे जो मैंने शेयर किया। फोर्थ इज क्रिएटिंग ओन स्क्रीनर्स। फिफ्थ is through news channels, which is financial TV channels like CNBC, Bloomberg, and so forth. Sixth is through social media. Seventh is through communities like Value Picker and so forth. And I think seventh or eighth is your inner circle of investors. And I think last but not the least is your day-to-day life where you consume products and services. So I think this is more than enough. आपको यहाँ से बहुत अच्छी खासी सेंस ऑफ क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी कि कौन से बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। लुक एट द फंडामेंटल्स एंड जो काफी सारी चीज मैंने अभी बताई, मैनेजमेंट क्वालिटी एंड सो फोर्थ। Look into it, and if you are comfortable, you can invest into these companies. So that was it for today's session. And if you are having any queries regarding particular today's session, so you can just let me know and unmute yourself.